Today, I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes in setting up one of the most overlooked but critical parts of any event, a breakout room. These seem simple at first, right? You're just getting a room for them to have a chat in, to have a session. But honestly, getting them right takes planning and expertise. Whether you need a simple space for a small discussion or a full AV setup for 200 people, the breakout experience matters. Why? Because not all breakout setups are the same. They should cater to your needs. The right setup ensures professional, on-brand experience for attendees while offering the right technology to enhance the experience and not cause any tech surprises. Ultimately, we want your presenters to focus on delivering, not troubleshooting. So let's break down what makes a breakout room successful and show you how our approach scales to fit your needs. For smaller sessions or workshops with under 50 people, our goal is simplicity without sacrificing quality. We focus on what's essential: video. Now, in a smaller room, a TV works, but we would also suggest a projector and a projector screen for larger spaces. And sound. Speaker and a microphone to amplify the presenter of the session. That's all you need. In rooms like these, you likely don't need additional equipment. And whenever you don't need any additional equipment, that means you also won't have additional staff to monitor each breakout room while these sessions are taking place. This is great as it saves money on that staffing, but it also means that you won't be able to monitor what's happening and change things quickly. So you need that setup to be drag and drop. On the other end, there are the larger rooms, breakout sessions that require video to be recorded, ones that have a larger audience, and we typically treat these as if it was a miniature general session. So here's what that looks like. It's the same setup as above, with video and sound being a major priority. We'll have a projector screen, mics and speakers to deliver clear audio and video. But we'll also ramp this up. We add in a full PA system with multiple wireless or lavalier microphones. We also have cameras ready to feed in iMag if desired, or if somebody is looking to stream the session or even record it later for use after the show. Also, sometimes a confidence monitor is requested for the presenters so they can follow along with their presentation on another screen. And in these rooms, a tech table will be in the back of the room with a dedicated tech engineer to monitor slides, monitor audio, and watch the video. These setups involve multiple crew members, from audio engineers to video switchers or camera operators. Rooms like this take a lot more preparation and thought than a smaller breakout room. At Utopia, we scale your breakout rooms to match your event goals, your budget, and your attendees' expectations. Want to learn more or want to have help scaling up your breakout room? Reach out to us at the link below. We'd love to help make your next event seamless, one breakout room at a time.